Blessings Day, but I already opened it because I couldn't wait to see what was in it. They emailed me and asked me, since it was late February, whether I wanted winter stuff or spring stuff. So I told them spring stuff. So let's see what I got. This is, oh, let me find that price sheet. Get a return envelope. It's $8 to ship to you that you don't get refunded at all, but that's it. There's no shipping fee or anything. And then a free return. Here's my price sheet. Alrighty. This is Karen Scott 1X stripes. Just kind of about it. We'll see how it looks on. White and blue stripe, that must be this one. Original price was $36.50. My price is $19. It's got kind of turned up sleeves, which are kind of cute. Looks like it's pretty long, like legging length. This one is also Karen Scott 1X. It's blue, short sleeved. Original price $29.95. My price $15. It's a pretty blue. I love this color. This one is probably, there's a bohemian one in here, and it's probably this one. Let's see, Style and Company, bohemian shirt, $59.50. My price $30. This one looks bohemian to me. It's got like a different pattern on the sleeves. Got like flowy sleeves and like a little ruffle at the, goes under the bust or at the waist. On me, probably under the bust because I'm so long-waisted. It's got these little ties. I'm not real fond of these ties, but we'll see. I think it's really cute, so we'll see. And it, what did I say it was? $30. Then we have these, which I like embroidery jeans. I just don't think I like these embroidery jeans. They are Style and Company, denim floral stitch boyfriend jeans, size 18. Original price $16.50. My price $35. But I don't think I like it's too much. I like a little bit of embroidery maybe, but that's just, it's on both sides. It's just a little over the top, I think. Then this is heavy, but it's kind of like a jegging. It says Charter Club black slim leg pants, 18, $69.50. My price $35. They're pull-on. And they have pockets in the back, but not in the front. And they're just like a pull-on with a pretty big waistband. Pretty heavy black jeans. They're stretchy, so they're not quite, they're kind of a cross between a jegging and pants, I guess, to me anyway. And those I said were $35. And then here's one more. Let's see, white and green bohemian shirt now. Yeah. This one's $36.50. Might cost $19. I don't know why it's bohemian other than the print, I guess. It's got like a different print at the bottom. And like cuffed sleeves. And I also have a Stitch Fix sitting here. I'm going to do that video next. And I want you guys to tell me, I want to spend right around $100, so tell me whether to get $100 worth from here, from Stitch Fix, or some from each. So we'll see how that all goes. I have this, I've still got my jammies on, but I put this thing on. Got it for my birthday. It's like fuzzy inside and with a hood and kangaroo pocket, and it's so warm because it's snowing out, and it's like they're out there messing with the chicken coop, putting plastic over it to kind of cushion it from the cold for the chickens. And it's like 18 degrees out, but with the wind chill it's like -1 or something. So they're doing it now because it's supposed to go down to -5 or 6 or something like that. And this is the warmest day for the next few days. It's going to get even colder the next couple days after this. So I have this, and it might come in handy because they're talking about doing rolling brownouts because everybody's home and everybody's got the heat cranked up and everything. So they're talking about doing rolling brownouts to make sure we don't overload the grid. So we might have, it'll be just it's like 15 minutes at a time. Not enough to get really cold in here, but enough to where I might want this. So I will go try these on and see what you think and let me know. Okay, this is a no. It's too tight. It shows like every little bump and bulge and squishes the girls a little bit. And these pants are okay. They're just too long. And it's got a high waist, and high waists on me just roll down. They don't stay up. So these are both a no. This one fits a lot better, and I love the color. I love the color on me. Alrighty, this one's okay. Just reminds me of something I'd get at Walmart for like 10 bucks. And the pants, I can't button them, but I didn't like them anyway. So they have like all kinds of embroidery all over the legs. So far I don't know, iffy about a lot of them. This one was my favorite right out of the box. I like these sleeves. I think this might be supposed to be at the waist, but on me makes it an empire because I've got such a long waist. But I think this one's cute. What do you think? Got the floppy sleeves. Alrighty. These didn't fit, and I didn't like the embroidery, but I thought the color was really interesting. It's kind of a gray blue. If they fit better and didn't have the embroidery, I would have liked them. And they were $35. These, they were high-waisted, and the high waist would just roll down on me and bug me. And they were like about that much too long. They need to give me petites. I've got short legs. So those are both a no. These were $35 also. This one is my favorite. I like bohemian stuff. Let's see. This one is $30. If you're counting towards my total of $100, this one I'm considering. I have to see what I get in Stitch Fix first. This one was just okay. It was $19, so of course it was like $11 cheaper than the one I liked. They're both calling them both bohemian. I love this color. Depends on how much it is, I think. That's only $15. That's not bad. It's a really pretty color on me. Everybody always compliments me when I wear this color. And this one didn't fit. It was a little too tight. Plus I didn't really think it looked that good anyway, even if it would have fit. This one was $19. So the two I'm considering are this bohemian one with the flowy sleeves and this blue one. So the total on these two together would be $45. So that would leave $55 to get something from Stitch Fix. if we're playing my $100 game. Tell me what you all think. Am I being too hard on some of them, or do you not like the ones I liked? Let me know what you thought. Oh, it's so dry in here. My eyeballs even feel dry. With this cold weather, it gets super dry. We've never had this kind of crazy cold weather ever. I've lived in Texas over 20 years, and I've never had this snow and crazy weather. Eventually, when we're gonna get more snow. So once we get a nice coverage of snow, I'll take some pictures. And I've already got a clip of we have a waterfall in our pool, and it runs when it gets cold to keep the water moving so it doesn't freeze. And there's icicles coming down where the waterfall is. So there's a little clip of that too. I'll show you later. So this was my Wee Blessings. I really like Wee Blessings. This particular thing everything was 50% off. They guarantee it minimum 40, maximum 60% off, and it usually averages right around 50. And the prices are, yeah, I stopped doing Nadine West because this is much higher quality stuff for better prices or similar prices to Nadine West. So I backed off of Nadine West, and I'm enjoying the Wee Blessings, but I'm going to see if because it's a monthly thing, I'm going to see if they'll let me do it every other month or quarterly, because it's just too often for me to get it every month. I just don't need that much clothes. I've already got a ton of clothes, so we'll see what they say, if they'll let me, stop and start or something like that. But I'd go on. I think I have a link below that if I think I have to get 5 people that use my referral code, and then I get $50 off. But it's, it's only $8 shipping to you, which you don't get back off, but no styling fee and the return for your envelope. So it's a pretty good deal, and it's all stuff like I think these are all brands they would have at Macy's or Dillard's, those kind of places. So it's not the cheapest brands around, not Walmart brands, that's for sure. So I'm really enjoying Wee Blessings. I encourage you to go take a peek. And I am going to also film a Walmart Stitch Fix video next, and so you'll see this sweater again. And I'll post one today and one tomorrow, and then you can let me know how to spend my $100. I hope you all are staying warm and safe, and I'll see you all soon.